yeah. Oh yeah.
Can I throw the brush to you?
Yeah, if you want. But you need to make sure I catch it. Like do it properly because I'm get scared. The sky is falling down. From Juvia's place, the magic palette, we are going to be doing this color, and this color, chosen by
Me.
hers truly, my sister. It's all glitters. It's my first try doing it for that makeup challenge. I don't know if it's a good idea, but let's go.
Laddu.
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 Laddu, laddu, laddu.
No, too much. Did you fart?
No.
Did you do diarrhea?
Yes. I'm gonna add some primer to this so it picks up more because it's too dry, isn't it? So the palette is very pigmented, but it's too glitters are genuinely hard to get on your eyelids. So
Yeah.
take some off the palette and just kind of see. Look, you can tell that it's coming out more now. See, I went a bit too high there. That's the problem. So I'm just gonna try to crease this into the thing now. So obviously, when you go outwards, you always want to do it like here. You're doing it kind of harder, and when you're going outwards, you want to kind of go softer. And it's doof because otherwise, this happens. It's too harsh. You know, it's gonna be harder to blend out. So now we are gonna attempt to cut the crease. Anyway, it's Halo. I've tried with the cut crease. Not that great, but it's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, my dear.
Yeah. Sprayed this brush with my primers, and I'm gonna just take the. Zena, that's very disgusting.
It was the Mirinda.
You're surprised. It was the Mirinda.
And a Baiga.
Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna go back in with this teal kind of green. Dabbing it. Making it blend, my G's. Blend it. Oh, that's looking quite nice now, you know?
Who said it was?
Me. I said it was. I don't need anyone's opinion. Anyway, now what we're gonna do is take some of this Kogi, just a dab, tiny bit, because it's very pigmented, like I said. And what we're gonna do is just on top, just above, like just very, very light, because this, I'm using like a tapered or a blending brush right now. I can't really remember. Just go on, just above the green.
You know, I should do your voiceover on one of your YouTube videos.
You should.
I should.
You'd roast me, bruv.
Rat from Ratatouille. No, wait, is that...
I guess that's okay. What I like to do, well, most people like to do, they want to do the bottom as well, just to make it pop a bit. And then some people do the tear duct here, so I'm just going to finish that off and then, yeah. I don't know if I should have done that.
You shouldn't have.
We make it what we make it, but I'm gonna get a wipe and just like
It is what
wipe
it
the
is.
above there. If your eyeliner comes out better than mine, we love to see it. We love to see it.
Would. Just joking.
Look at her slimes, guys. They're so pretty.
They need to clear out.
Ain't they so pretty? I ruined it.
You look like a diner kebab.
I look like a diner kebab, guys.
You could be a diner kebab lately.
What do you think?
It is.
It's what it is.
It looks like clouds.
Yeah, I know. I turned it into clouds. Now we're gonna use Sleek. Just gonna use this. Honestly, I just use whatever every time. I'll do that. I don't know. Because you know, it's all about experimentation, my G's. I forgot to contour my nose bone. Shambolic. That's actually not a bad idea. Maybe I should have contoured after I highlighted. That actually works a lot better.
No, stop it. Hello. Goodbye.
You want to brush your eyebrows with a spoolie. So I'm just gonna use a nude lip brush. I'm gonna use Yate London. I've used it in my previous video. Ooh, look at that sunlight. Yeah, baby.
I'll curse the sun.